Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to download Kivy. So guys, now let's begin. So guys, first of all you have to come to terminal. So guys, before I start to show how to download Kivy, first I want to tell you, if you are using Python 3.10, then guys you can't download Kivy. So guys, if you want to download Kivy, then guys you must use Python 3.9. So guys, first go and download Python 3.9, then after downloading Python 3.9 you can download Kivy. So guys, now here you have to type pip install Kivy. Here you can see the requirement already satisfied. So this means Kivy is already downloaded. So guys, now you have to check Kivy is downloaded or not. So guys, for that you have to come to file, then setting, then guys here you can see Kivy. So guys, this means Kivy is downloaded. So guys, now thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, if you want to get more computer related video, then guys please subscribe to this channel and you also press the bell icon. So guys, thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.